Hail Mallrats, we are here at Ayala Malls the 30th here in beautiful Pasig City, and there is a sort of anime, otaku, geek, toy, collectible thing going on. So let's check it out. Alright, so the toy collectible thing is here in the middle of the ground floor of Ayala the 30th. It is currently March 21st, 2025, a Friday. This thing is going to be running until March 22nd. It's been here since a couple of months, a week or two. But, well, schedule. So, that's cute. And I get myself a life-size Anya Forager plushie one of these days. Ooh, Barbies. Oh yeah, Lego, because there was a brick something a week ago or something. It was a Lego specialty thing. Okay. Seems familiar. Seems like the usual people from the Christmas collectibles thing a couple of months ago. Okay. Join my group, Breaking Bart. And there's more Lego stuff over here. Okay, this one goes around, so we will go around to the other side first. Ooh, food. It's nice. Stuffed toys, we will see these later again. We will go around first. Is this retro? This one's retro toys and collectibles, I think, or vintage toys and collectibles. Some Voltus 5s up there. Okay. Ooh, these edible there. Product of Vietnam, macadamia nuts. This one is beads. Yeah, no, it's Lego. More Lego. Still from the those lightsabers. Lego from the Philippine Brick Association or whatever. The local Lego people who are much more expensive hobby than. Ooh, look at these. Are these pre-assembled gunpla? They are, no? There's an MG Easy 8 over here. Oh no, these are toys. No? The toys or the MGs? They are toys. Cute, but the shinings of that Cubilee. Okay. It's cute. Oh, look at that gun tank. What's that? Hey, look at that. Ooh, Psycho. How much is Psycho then? Okay. I think that's an HG Psycho. Okay. Farm animals, plastic animals. Ooh, turkey. I don't see this thing around. My brother loves the skunk that's sitting down. Let's see. I don't see any skunks. What is that? I've seen that. Oh, that's so cute. Back in my day, you didn't have stuff like that. Okay, so here you have the usual suspects, anime, toys and stuff. Stuffed toys, $550 each, 3 for $1,100. If only I cared about any of these characters. Stuff on the floor as well. Freaky looking Sailor Moon over there. So that one goes over there, so we will go around. Alright, we're here on the other side. Okay. It's not that big. Ayala Malls the 30th, it's not really a big mall. So whenever they have a convention type thing here, they either eat up 2 floors or just this bottom one. Last time I remember, there was Cosplay Blitz sometime in 2024? No, was that 2023? They ate up all 3 floors. The movie floor, this ground floor, the upper floor and then the ground floor. This one is a little bit closed because it's a mall that doesn't really get that much traffic except from people who work in the area, at least during weekdays, and it is still Friday afternoon right now. Okay, usual suspects, swords, figures, once again, bunch of cute free runs on the upper left. Eva, Tsumiku. Those are cute Pikachus. Alright. There you go. Still a lot of Lego, so this is like spillover from the Lego event that happened a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, cute Power Rangers thing. Fortnite. Yeah. Ooh, those Ninja Turtles. That is nice. That's cute. What is that one? EVZ. It's cute. Ooh, dinosaur. Oh, your standard anime stuff. Standard anime stuff. Hey, there's a pop-up parade Gura. I don't see that one often. Already have mine, but wouldn't hurt. At a plushie and bought that. Then a bunch of other people. Okay. Nando's, relax times, more Bandai Namco stuff. Okay. That's cute stuff. Ooh, it's Power Ranger dude. That's cool. K-pop stuff. Okay. Ooh, Matchbox. Little Matchbox. Community is pretty cool. Cards. Ah, there's some magic cards. Wait, I know this place. Hey. And oh, here's the place where you paint stuff. There you go. In Taco. So you can paint your own things. And some of these are actually pretty good. That's pretty good. There. Okay. Painting. Yeah, you can paint your own stuff over here. Look at that. Spider-Man. And then painting area. Okay, and then one last area. Just around. I'm trying to look upstairs. There's a sale. Soleil. So it says sale. Cute jewelry things. Toys. Hey, RX-78. But it's the origin RX-78, so screw that shit. That's Charwank right there. Stuffed toys. Stuffed toys, mostly Pokemon. One minion hiding amongst the Pikachus. He's in disguise. Banana. Pika, Pika, banana. That cute Dragonair is calling out to me, but that's okay. Stuffed toys. And it looks like he's thinking about something. And this one is, I think, one of the standard ones. That's cool. Ooh. Blankets or pillow cloth? What are bed clothes? Ano ito mga to? Bed sheet to mga to? Ah, okay.
Maganda po to.
Bed sheet
po
pala.
double. May queen size, may king size.
Okay.
Tapos may prepat po siyang figure.
May mga pillowcases rin. Ah,
Opo,
may
may
kasama.
pillowcase na siyang dalawa.
Okay.
Tapos kung gusto niyo naman po separate, meron pa rin po tayo.
Okay. Keep that in mind. Okay. Thanks.
Check na po.
Na, okay lang.
Bubukayin ko po.
Ano ba ito?
Yan ang
Plastic.
po. Kung tawagin po yan,
Plastic.
Magic Knight.
Eh, yan yung pumapasok.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. Oh, ganda. Gunpla. Let's go.
Ganda. 500 na lang po.
Per? Okay.
Per piece.
Sige. Keep that in mind. Okay.
Mura na yan, sir.
Yeah.
Nag-sale lang po kami.
Okay.
Meron pa po.
There.
Alright. May mag-ito pa po kayo.
Yeah. Take a look at it.
Check nyo lang po.
And figures. The usual figures. And K-pop stuff, and I think that's it. Yeah, is it?
Next week.
Alright. That's it, guys. Over here is food. No, there's a little bit more. Ilocano blend. Did we go around here? Yeah, I think we did then. That's what. No, we missed this last one. Went around there. We stopped there. There was a last one here. There you go. And this one is baked goods, so it's food. Okay. There you go, guys. There you go. Okay. There you go, Mallrats. That was the toys, collectibles, and mostly Lego stuff displayed here at Ayala Malls the 30th, March 21st, 2025. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. I didn't see anything interesting, but, well, I go to tons of these. So, you guys know what to do. You know, like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys in the next video, and Mallrat out. Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat